Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Navy Federal app, secure method step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the Navy Federal app icon. Tap on the icon to launch the application. Wait for the app to load fully. Once the app is open, you will be presented with the login screen. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double check for typos as you type. Next, tap on the password field. Input your password carefully, ensuring correct capitalization. If you're using a private device, you may select the option to remember your login details. If you've forgotten your username or password, tap on the respective links for recovery options. Once all details are entered correctly, look for the Login button. Tap the Login button to proceed. If the details are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. In case of incorrect credentials, follow the prompts to re-enter your information. To enhance security, consider enabling biometric login features like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you're logged in, ensure to navigate through the app securely. When finished, log out to protect your account if you're using a shared device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.